Hey YouTube, what's going on? It's Chris here. I wanted to give you guys a little article that I ran across. So what this says is Litecoin price up by 2%, another boom in price expected. And this is April 15th. So what I wanted to read to you guys here, it says Litecoin is an old and trusted name when it comes to the world of cryptocurrencies. The digital silver of the crypto world has been one of the most popular stable names in the markets. Litecoin has gone through a number of ups and downs over the past 3 months. While late 2017 was the boom phase, the currency has been falling in a downward spiral over the next few months. Litecoin, which boomed in February 2018 despite the markets being in a bloodbath phase, is back in the doldrums as the uptrend reversed after LitePay and Litecoin Cash both flopped. However, at the time when it seemed that Litecoin was destined for a major crash, even possibly hitting $90 to $65 levels, the cryptocurrency markets finally started off on a major bullish momentum. Litecoin price over the past 24 hours surged from $126 to $129, a growth of almost 2% over the period. Litecoin's market cap has also shot up from $7 billion to $7.24 billion, surging by $240 million over the day. Litecoin had a slow start when the price bottom started off, but the currency eventually made up for it. The week-long performance of Litecoin has been even more impressive as the currency's market cap boomed from $6.5 billion to $7.24 billion over the week. However, even though the boom phase, the price did not drop to 113 momentarily, which was the lowest point of the week for Litecoin. The currency started off the week at a price of 117 and closed at 129. Litecoin prices, as per market experts, are all set to boom even more, though the pace would be glacial as it has been in the past. The next move target for Litecoin price is that of $138 to $142, following which it would easily cross the 150 mark before meeting a major resistance. Investors are advised to set their stop losses and targets accordingly. So what I want to just talk to you guys about after we read this, remember how I've been telling you I've been doing some studying on trend reversals and how they happen. So trend reversals don't necessarily happen in one day or on a dime. What you have to think of with a trend reversal is a car that's driving down the road and it hits its brakes. That doesn't necessarily mean it stops at that exact place. What it means is the brake lights go on and people's psychology starts to change. Okay, so people's psychology will start to change. And I'm sorry about all that, guys, if my screen just went dead. So I'm going to continue to talk to you, though. But when you see those brake lights go, that could be an underlying foundation of things starting to change. The car could continue to go forward, it could stop in its place, or could go back in reverse. And what you've kind of seen over the past week is a change even in the YouTube community, all these underlying psychological factors, and you're starting to see this change into what I would call a little mini bull run here. We're gonna see if there's good follow through is what I want to see. But you have a lot of prominent people coming out and saying that Bitcoin is bottom. Bitcoin's going to go to $250,000 in the next few years. There's just so many different things out there. But what I'm trying to get the point across to you guys is that the psychology is changing, if that makes sense. The psychology is changing. The underlying current is changing more so into a bullish market, and that's what we are looking for, that change of trend, that change of psychology, because like many people have read and studied, when this next bull run happens, it's going to be one of the biggest ones in history. Bitcoin last time went from around $700 to $20,000, and now people know about Bitcoin. You think there was FOMO before, people are going to FOMO so bad. And that's where I've talked with you guys and said I really believe Litecoin could be $1,000 at the end of the year. I really believe Bitcoin could be, $40,000 to $50,000 at the end of the year. I don't doubt that for a minute. When you see institutional money come in and there's a set supply like in Litecoin, 84 million, that's all there ever is, there's going to be some huge whales who want to pick up some Litecoin as well as Bitcoin. So God bless each and every one of you. I'm sorry that the page shut down on me, but I just wanted to bring that to you. Tell you guys have a happy Sunday. God bless you all.